What's up, guys? Today we are going to solve the spiral matrix question from Leetcode. So the question is, given a matrix of m cross n elements, m rows and n columns, return all the elements of the matrix in the spiral order. Spiral order means we visit 1, 2, 3 in this order. We visit 6 and then 9 and then 8 and 7 and then 4 and 5, and we have to return this array or list of array list for this 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 8 and 12 and then 11 10 9 and then 5 6 7. The question is pretty simple, but coding makes it difficult. While coding while giving the output of your thoughts in the terms of code is very difficult for this question. What this question tells you is, I visit this matrix first time to the end of the matrix. So this is my end. And then I start one ahead from this and go to till the end. Then I start one ahead till this and go to end. And then I start one ahead of this and go to end. Now printing the smaller spiral inside this bigger spiral, we need to start from one step ahead and go to one more step behind. We have to go one more step ahead, go to one more step behind, and go like this, right? So this is the question. uh, so we are going to maintain four variables which will tell us the boundaries to be visited until which elements we have to visit. So this should be our right variable, this should be our bottom, this should be our left, this should be our top, right? So every time I visit this visit first row elements, I have to increase my top, which means I have to do this top first. And every time I visit this top to bottom, I have to increase my bottom thing, so that reduce my bottom thing, so that I come to the next row or the previous row. And same way for the left, I have to increment it so that I start from this column every time. This is the thing. I will explain this in more detail in the code. This is the code. First, we have to check if the matrix is null or the length is 0. So if it is, we have to just return an empty array list. Then I initialize my right variable, which is on the rightmost part, which is nothing but number of columns minus 1 because of the based indices. And top should start from 0, left should always start from 0, and the bottom should start from the number of rows minus 1. And I declare an array list with abbreviation of AL. uh, this is this what we if we have done with this while loop, what should be a stopping criteria? Stopping criteria should be, if my collecting array list. I'm always putting an elements in the array list. That is al cast size is equals to number of elements in my matrix. Then I will stop. So it's simple. This is the while condition. I first traverse the first two elements. Then I increment the top. My top becomes 1. I start from first top to bottom, and I add all the elements 6 and 9. Then I decrement right to reduce to come to this element 8 element. I start from 8. I add all the elements to 7. I decrement my bottom in order to start from 4, and add all the elements from 4 to 5. This is the code. But one thing we have to make sure is this while loop condition is only checked when this whole content inside the while loop is executed. So let's say when I was putting the elements the first for loop, then only our al dot size became equal to n cross n. So after that also we are going to add. So ultimately our output will be not correct. So that's why when I am executing my for loop, I am doing this. Al size should be always be less than the n cross n, and the size variable is declared and initialized here. So this is the code. Let's submit it. Yeah, that was a pretty simple question.